Hey guys, it's Bridget with San Diego Seed Company, and what am I doing in my warehouse surrounded by all this amazing produce and flowers? Well, I am here today to shoot videos for our new program that I'm really excited to announce. It is a 12-month educational program that's going to help get you on track to be the best gardener possible. I've been racking my brain for years on how I can inspire, educate, and support 1 million gardeners. Well, I am only one person, and even though I have an amazing team of people helping me, I knew that I needed a better program. So what I've put together is 12 months that you can sign up for so that you can get monthly education every single month that goes along with what you're planting in your garden. To give you a little snippet, like in January, we're gonna be talking about kale, okay? We're gonna talk about how you plant kale, when you plant kale, what things you need to plant, how you grow it successfully, and then once you grow it, how do you fight off the insects? How do you harvest it? How do you store it? How do you even make recipes with kale, right? I want you to know every single thing. Okay, so what do you get? All right, well, this is the way that the program works. Basically, for 12 months, I help hold your hand so you can stop wasting time and money on the same old mistakes. Every month, you get selected seeds from us that are guaranteed to be planted during that month in zone 9 and 10. So remember folks, this program is specifically for my friends and neighbors in zone 9 and 10, okay? So we're gonna send you the actual seeds that you need to be planting. We're gonna give you a video on how you plant them, how you can successfully grow them. And not only that, we're also going to give you an educational course or a lesson about something that's really important that's part of the 12 fundamental parts of gardening. It might be about pests, it might be about irrigation, soil building, seed starting, you name it, all the major issues are covered, and we've put them into 12 nice little lessons that you can go through throughout the year. What's even better is every single lesson pertains to that month's gardening habits. For example, like in July, you're dealing with certain pests in July, and there's certain tasks that you need to be doing in July in a zone 9 and 10 garden. That's what the lesson is going to be about. It's basically the closest I can get to being in your garden with you, holding your hand, showing you how to garden and how to grow and how to get amazing produce and flowers like this. And it's my gift to you guys so that you can become really good gardeners, stop wasting time, stop wasting money, and get out there and grow some great stuff.